Every time you eat, your body begins a complex process that turns food into energy, nutrients, and building blocks for life. Without this process, your body would have no fuel to function, grow, or repair itself. Yet most people never think about what happens to food after they swallow it. This entire transformation is managed by the digestive system, one of the most essential systems in the human body. So how does the digestive system actually work? The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food into smaller molecules that the body can absorb and use. It includes several organs working together, such as the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, along with supporting organs like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The process begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Saliva contains enzymes that start breaking down carbohydrates. Once swallowed, food travels down a muscular tube called the esophagus, which pushes it into the stomach through rhythmic movements known as peristalsis. In the stomach, food is mixed with strong acids and enzymes that break it down further, especially proteins. The stomach turns food into a semi-liquid substance, preparing it for the next stage. From there, it moves into the small intestine, where most of the digestion and absorption takes place. The small intestine receives digestive juices from the pancreas and bile from the liver and gallbladder. These substances help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates into smaller molecules. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny structures called villi, which absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. These nutrients are then transported to different parts of the body to provide energy and support growth and repair. After nutrients are absorbed, the remaining waste moves into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and the waste is formed into stool. Finally, this waste is eliminated from the body. The understanding of the digestive system developed over time as scientists studied how food is processed and how nutrients are absorbed. These discoveries helped explain how the body converts food into usable energy. When the digestive system does not function properly, it can lead to various conditions. For example, acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing discomfort. Ulcers can develop when the stomach lining is damaged. Disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, can affect how the intestines function, leading to pain and irregular digestion. Today, modern technology is improving digestive health. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze medical data, detect digestive disorders, and improve diagnostic procedures, such as endoscopy and imaging. These technologies help doctors identify problems earlier and provide more effective treatments. The digestive system plays a vital role in keeping the body alive and functioning. It transforms the food you eat into the energy and nutrients your body needs every day. Understanding how this system works helps us make better dietary choices and maintain a healthy digestive system.